Hello ma'am,
Hello.
good to be with you today.
Thank you.
Because biotechnology and microbiology, we are from computer science. So there's like two departments which the boys always keep doing because more number of female students in that. So just remembering our college days. But good to be really good. So good to be with you on a special day like this. On a serious note. Since you are in charge for biotechnology, how do you envision the future? Where this discipline of science is headed, what kind of transformation it can do? You can see in computer science, artificial intelligence is creating a huge transformation. So saying something similar like that, if I understand, is also happening in the bio and the biomedical, biotech, biochemical world. So how do you see the envision in the future?
Actually, to be very frank, regarding this biochemistry and biotechnology, as you said, there will be a limited voice group in it because they view it as a subject which would not give them immediate future. But it is not like that. It is like we have a bright future with these two aspects. When you consider biochemistry, it is biological chemistry, so they do a lot of work which is related to human being. So as you said, in computer science we have artificial intelligence, but in biochemistry and biotechnology we deal with the human beings. So whatever is done, whatever work is done in the biochemistry and biotechnology field, it will be related to the human beings. So for example, if you take pharmaceutical industries, we develop drugs. But when it comes to the market, we are finally targeting towards the society. So it will reach the human population. So when it comes to the human population, we will have to take utmost care to develop a drug. So we need a certain period of time to develop the drug. So we will have to wait for that period of time to give it to the society. So students, as a student, they will have to concentrate on this particular subject, whichever they are dealing with, and they will have to work hard for the result, better result.
So what you're trying to tell is that this is not only in biotechnology or things, there in every discipline.
Yes.
It is the age of super micro specialization. So it's not generic about biotech, but as you go inside, there are areas which you're connecting genetics and the machine. All of this, the rise of the robotics. All of this is going to happen. So we don't know. We are at a time that there's a lot of unpredictability. I was talking to the HOD of psychology, and during one of the conversations, it happened that they were saying that there's going to be a lot of psychological stress among the human beings. So saying like that, from what you've said, looks like there's going to be a lot of evolution in the biotech. I have a fun question for you. So, if you were given any biotech superpower, like the capability of, you've seen this film X-Men, so he regenerates, or he's able to quickly recover. So what kind of a superpower would you wish that you would have?
So just like if I wish, or it may be a future of the science, it would be developing a regenerative power for the limbs. So if you see in the sense, there are so many people who have been affected, and there are people who are more capable, but they couldn't give out because of these kind of physical fitness. So I would think we would develop regenerative limbs for those people who could make it better.
Okay. So any kind of research which is happening in this domain?
Yeah, they are trying because as you know, when the womb could develop from a blastocyst, so it is from a single cell, the whole part of the body is developing. So why not after the whole regeneration takes place in the womb, they are trying to find out whether this could be applied after a whole human being has been developed.
So something
So
like a
regenerative
stem
capacity.
cells.
Stem cells. Producing the cells.
Thank you, ma'am. It's a real pleasure to be with all of you today. Thank you so much.